Students, today we will read about the factors of production. First of all, let us know what are the factors of productions. Factors of productions are the resources used to produce goods and services. These resources are also called inputs. How many factors of productions are there? There are 4 factors of production. So now let's know what are the 4 factors of production. The very first is land, then comes your labor, then is your capital, and the last one is entrepreneurship. Now let's learn about land. All the natural occurring resources is considered as land. It is also called the natural resource. Then let's learn about the characteristics of land. Land is fixed in supply. It has no cost of production. It is geographically immobile. Then is your labor is the second factor of production. All human effort, whether mental or physical, that contributes to production can be considered as labor. Labor is also called human resource. Some of the examples are nurses, soldiers, teachers, etc. The payment for labor is called wages. There are different types of labor. Some of them are unskilled, some are semi-skilled, some are skilled, and some may be also professional. Then the third is your capital. Capital refers to all man-made resource used in the process of production. The examples include machineries and all the other inputs needed, and also the equipments like raw materials. Very small to sophisticated machines can be considered as capital. The payment for the use of capital is called interest. Then the last factor of production is enterprise or entrepreneurship. This is the ability to combine or organize the other factors of production and to take risk. The payment for enterprise is called profit. So here are some of the examples of entrepreneurs, those who have established very big entrepreneurs for taking the risk of factors of production. And for your knowledge, let me tell, from all the factors of production, the human capital or the entrepreneurship is considered has been given more priority than other factors of production, because all the factors of production cannot be used efficiently or cannot be used up to the total potentiality without this factor of production.